Welcome back, everyone. Today, we'll be diving into the exciting world of longevity genes, their discovery and the ways we can modify and activate them for living longer. Some scientists say that longevity is 20% genetic and 80% in our hands. More scientific research and studies show that our lifestyle and diet can modify epigenome. Epigenome is a complex chemical modification of our genome, DNA, which is involved in aging process and longevity. Research has discovered longevity genes like FOXO gene, sirtuins, mTOR and AMPK. In this video, we will show ways to modify and activate these genes and increase longevity. Now you might ask, what does our diet have to do with these genes? A lot more than you think. Recent studies have illustrated the powerful impact of plant-based diets on these very genes. A diet primarily consisting of plant foods such as vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, legumes and whole grains, complemented with a small portion of fish, can potentially decrease the risk of premature death by an impressive 20%. Fascinating, isn't it? But why fish, you wonder? Here's where it gets interesting. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These compounds have been associated with multiple health benefits like heart and brain health and managing inflammation. So even though it's predominantly a plant-based diet, a dash of fish provides a significant nutritional punch. The dietary secret weapon, however, is a special molecule named resveratrol, which is abundant in fruits like grapes, berries, and also in red wine. This molecule is a potent activator of the so-called longevity genes. In layman's terms, it helps in slowing down the aging process. This unique trait of resveratrol adds an extra advantage to the plant-based diet, making it an effective tool in the pursuit of a longer life. So as we delve further into this topic, remember, it's not just about the foods we consume, but also about the ones we consciously choose not to. By avoiding processed foods, refined sugars and unhealthy fats, we're making an active choice to prioritize our health. In conclusion, there's clear evidence that a plant-based diet complemented by a hint of fish has extensive benefits. Not only does it enhance our health and enrich our palate, but it also has the potential to extend our lifespan. So why not give it a try? You just might be adding more years to your life through this dietary approach. Today's discussion on the discovery and activation of longevity genes is just the beginning. Stay tuned for more. Mediterranean diet scientific studies have shown that eating Mediterranean diets such as fruits, whole grains, nuts, vegetables and legumes reduces chances of dying any day by about 30%. Exciting, isn't it? Mindful eating and intermittent fasting. Fasting or episode of hunger and calorie restriction stimulates sirtuin genes which help repair DNA. So it's not just about what you eat, but when you eat. Low energy state also activates longevity genes like mTOR and AMPK. In a biological concept called xenohormesis, stressed plants that are organic, local and colorful like grapes including red wine, have special molecules called polyphenols which activates sirtuins genes. Other stressed plants include colorful vegetables and fruits. Polyphenols have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Hydration and tea. Some studies have shown that regular tea consumers are almost 1.5 times likely to live longer than those who don't enjoy tea. Tea, especially green tea, is rich in polyphenols and antioxidants, which help repair our body and slow down certain diseases. Avoid glucose, sugar-rich foods because these foods shut your defense genes off, develops disease like fatty liver, diabetes, heart diseases. Avoid super high protein. Too much protein puts off our body's process called autophagy. Autophagy is a very important process for longevity. It's a recycling program in the body, the defense to recycle proteins. Too much red meat and proteins also prevent mTOR gene from doing its good stuff to our body. They shut off these longevity genes.